If you have a large set of data that you need to analyze, it can be difficult to get a handle on it. Fortunately, Copilot can help. Copilot can create a chart if you want a visual look at your data. Ask it to create the chart you want, such as a column chart to show your data by groups. Copilot will analyze your data and create the chart in the side panel, explaining what it is. You can copy it or add it to a new worksheet. Charts created this way are pivot charts. Copilot creates the pivot table to base the chart on, then adds it. The advantage to this is that it lets us adjust the chart as needed, such as filtering. Since the chart is connected to your data, new changes to your data will also be reflected in the chart. If you need a more complex chart, tell Copilot what you want. You don't need to know how to build a chart or what to call it. Let Copilot do the work. With Copilot's help, analyzing and visualizing your data is easier than ever. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Copilot, please visit it.miami.edu/copilot-365.